A very good morning to all of you, and I hope everybody's doing good. Your exams were good. So, over here, we have a new chapter for all of you, that is, Who Did Patrick's Homework? And this is the assignment for the chapter. So, let's start it. First question: What did Patrick's teacher always tell him? Patrick's teacher always asked him to study and complete his homework. The teacher also told that Patrick would stay dumb if he did not focus on his studies. So, what actually Patrick's teacher says, Patrick never used to do his homework. He was very much lagging in studies and everything. So, that's why his teacher used to say that if you do not complete your homework, if you do not study on time, then definitely you are going to be dumb in the class. Second question: What was Patrick's cat playing with? Patrick's cat was playing with a tiny little weird looking doll that wore a hat and breeches. And actually, that wasn't a doll, that was a tiny little elf. So the cat was playing with that. Third: Why couldn't Patrick believe his luck? When Patrick saw what his cat was actually playing with, he could not believe his luck because it was not a doll but a talking elf. Okay? It was a talking elf. It wasn't a doll, and this was what not believed by Patrick. Next question. What did Patrick ask the elf to do? Now, actually, what happens over here is elf says to Patrick that save me from the cat, otherwise the cat is going to eat me. Then they make a deal, and over here in the question that is only asked that what Patrick asked elf to do. Patrick asked the elf to help him in his homework or finish his homework completely. Patrick also asked the elf to finish his household chores. Now, actually, this was the deal done. Patrick said to the elf that you would have to do my homework for 35 days, means for entire one semester, and even you have to finish some of the household chores, household works and something. Fifth question. Why was Patrick's wish granted by the elf? Now, why did Patrick's wish was granted? Why elf accepted? See the reason. Patrick told that the elf that he would save him from the cat that was tormenting it. Only if the elf grants him wishes, among which one was to finish Patrick's homework until the end of his semesters. Now, actually, elf wanted to save itself from the cat, and that's why he agreed to all the wishes. Next question. Did the elf help Patrick in doing his homework? Give reason for your answers. See the answer. The elf frowned at first and thought that he was stuck, but later agrees to do his homework for 35 days. The elf kept his words and helped him in finishing his homework, which made Patrick score A grade in all subjects. Yes, the elf kept his promise. He actually helped Patrick in doing his homework, and Patrick started doing his homework. Everything was going good, and at the end, he received grade A in all the subjects. Next question. Name the subjects in which Elf asked Patrick for his help. Now, in what all subjects the help was taken? See, the elf asked Patrick to help in solving subtraction and addition and timetables in maths, getting the meaning of words from the dictionary in English, and as the elf was unaware of human history, he asked Patrick to read history for him. So these three subjects were focused on maths, English, and history. Last question. What did Patrick often do instead of doing his homework? What actually Patrick used to do? Because he never did his homework. So, what he actually used to do in the time? Instead of doing his homework, Patrick wasted his time playing Nintendo, baseball, and hockey. Nintendo is a video game. Okay, so he used to invest his time on, he actually used to waste his time on baseball, hockey, and video games. So this was all about the chapter. See you in the next video, everyone. Thank you. Stay home. If you are willing to go out, then just go out with the safety. Thank you, everyone. Take care.